Here are a few search techniques that can be used in WorldCat Discovery. To begin, access WorldCat Discovery at your institution's specific web address and enter your search terms in the box provided. This is a keyword search performed in the WorldCat.org database, which includes WorldCat bibliographic information, citations from authoritative e-content collections, and from databases such as ArticleFirst, ERIC, and Medline. These search results represent a mix of articles, books, and other materials relevant to this topic. The first thing to notice are the search relevance indicators. These highlight matching search terms in the result entries. If the terms matches fields not usually displayed here, the fields will appear with the terms highlighted. The sort order displays at the top of the search results. The default is library, which considers library holdings first, and then blends title, author, date, and worldwide holdings. Items in my collection appear higher in the results, as indicated by the availability statement that appears in many of these entries. You may choose a different sort from the list presented based on your searching goals. WorldCat Discovery supports wildcards and truncation. Use the # or the question mark as wildcards to accommodate spelling variations. Use the asterisk to truncate a single term or phrase. Here, I have searched for the terms printmaking techniques using those truncation symbols on both terms. Filters on the left side of this page may be used to refine these results. The filter labels and their order were customized for my institution in the service configuration. Expand material type, and here I will select the book filter. Then, a little bit further, I will expand publication year and choose last 10 years. As filters are selected, they display in the upper left. Retain filters allows you to apply these filters to subsequent searches, whether you add more terms to your original search or enter new search terms. I will check this box to turn this on. And I'm going to add more terms to this search. These results display book materials only available within the last 10 years. The Boolean operator AND is understood between search terms, as was just demonstrated. WorldCat Discovery also supports or not within searches. Enter these operators in all capital letters. That ensures the operators are identified as such and not ignored as common words. These are results from a search that used the NOT operator. WorldCat Discovery groups records by edition and will display one representative record for each edition in the results. You may ungroup them to display a flat list that includes other versions, languages, or formats for a work. If ungrouped, this remains active throughout your session. Results can easily be grouped again for new searches. Use OR in a search to expand your result set, as indicated by the number of entries presented when I do a search for swamps or bogs. The keyword index we have been using searches across name, title, subject, and notes fields. These results were expanded to include related terms. Related terms are headings from authority vocabularies. Click the link here to view these related terms. You may choose to review results that do not include the related terms. If I click only search for the terms I've entered, the search will be redone. You may use index labels in your search to focus your search terms or help you locate known items. Navigate to the Advanced Search screen to review and use indexes appropriate for your searching goals. For example, here I'm going to choose the title phrase index from the list of indexes presented and enter the beginning of a title using the truncation symbol to truncate the rest of the phrase. When I click search, these results include titles by various authors that begin with the phrase we searched. Each author's name in an entry is presented as a link. To view items by that specific author, click the author's name to perform an author phrase search. Now these results display only items by this author. These are a few search techniques that you can use in WorldCat Discovery. Consult Searching WorldCat Indexes to learn more about specific indexes, labels, and filters. Visit help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and contact information for OCLC support in your region. Thank you for watching.